10 Best Change Management Tools to Use. Change Management Tools. Navigating organizational change. Every company will undergo a change at a certain point, and how well you manage it will influence whether it succeeds or fails. This is why change management for organizational transformation is very important. By using this structured approach, businesses can more effectively manage changes by limiting the staff, operations, and technology involved. Change management has become more important than ever before in the hectic business climate of today. It can thus be highly beneficial to have the appropriate change management tools. To remain competitive and meet customer demands, businesses constantly change.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
What is change management? The process of managing organizational transformations is referred to as change management. This can involve adjustments to people's roles and responsibilities as well as modifications to systems, processes, or organizational structures. Minimizing disturbance and ensuring that the organization can continue to run smoothly during times of change are the two main objectives of organizational change management. Effective change management requires a structured approach that includes planning, communication, and collaboration. It also involves a focus on people, as change can be stressful and disruptive for employees. Change management tools can help organizations manage these processes more effectively. Planning and project management tools. Gantt charts. Gantt charts are a visual tool that helps to plan and track tasks over time. They are especially useful for complex projects with many interdependent tasks. Project management software. Project management software can help manage tasks, timelines, and resources. It can also facilitate collaboration between team members. Risk management tools. Change often involves risk. Risk management tools can help identify and mitigate risks before they become issues. Top change management tools. 1. Asana. A popular project change management tool called Asana gives businesses a simple, user-friendly interface for managing tasks, projects, and processes all in one location. It is particularly helpful because it enables organizations to create, assign, and track the progress of tasks and projects for change management projects that involve numerous teams from various departments. Asana offers editable templates that can be used to develop workflows for change management and integrates with other software programmers to make it simple to manage change across various platforms. Teams collaborate, communicate, and monitor project progress in real time using Asana. 2. Trello. Trello is a popular project management tool that offers a visual, customizable interface for change management. According to the unique requirements of the organization, users can arrange tasks into boards, lists, and cards using the Kanban-style design it offers. Team members may communicate, track progress, and debate changes in real time using Trello. A variety of upgrades are also offered by the instrument, which can be used to enhance its functionality. For firms wishing to develop efficient change management methods, its connection with other software programs makes it simple to manage change across several platforms. Overall, Trello is a great tool for businesses that must manage change successfully due to its visual representation of tasks and workflows and its capacity to foster cooperation. 3. Jira. Jira is a project management tool widely used in the software development industry, but it is also suitable for change management in other fields. It provides a customizable interface that allows businesses to create, assign, and track tasks and workflows in a centralized location. Jira's agile methodology and customizable workflows make it ideal for managing complex changes. Additionally, it offers integrations with other change management tools such as Confluence and Slack and has a built-in issue tracking system. Jira also provides customizable templates for change management processes. 4. AWS CloudFormation and AWS Change Management. Teams may specify and manage infrastructure as code with the help of AWS CloudFormation. Teams can use it to build templates that automate the deployment of resources, simplifying the management of changes across many settings. AWS CloudFormation can be used in conjunction with AWS Code Pipeline, AWS Code Commit, and other AWS services to build a complete organizational change management solution. With the help of AWS Change Management, an online tool offered by Amazon Web Services, AWS, businesses may control modifications to their AWS resources. It is a useful tool for companies whose IT infrastructure is powered by AWS because it has capabilities like automated change requests, approvals, and tracking. 5. Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project is a project management program that may be used in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, engineering, and construction, for change management. Organizations can manage tasks, procedures, and projects in one place because of its highly configurable interface. Microsoft Project offers numerous integrations that may be used to link it with other products and platforms, as well as configurable templates for change management procedures. Businesses can use Microsoft Project to get a complete view of project timelines, activities, and resources since it allows them to create and manage tasks, set deadlines, and monitor progress. The tool enables businesses to track progress, manage risks, and communicate changes to team members in real time, making it an essential asset for change management projects. 6. Smartsheet. A project management and teamwork application called Smartsheet can be used for change management. It enables businesses to set up and control activities, monitor development, and work together with team members. Smartsheet enables organizations to monitor progress, work together as a team, and automate operations. Workflows for such change management tools are also available as customizable templates on Smartsheet. 7. Monday.com. Change management can be done with Monday.com, a highly visible and adaptable project management and collaboration platform. It provides specialized boards and workflows that may be adjusted to suit the unique requirements of enterprises. Organizations may organize projects, monitor progress, work together as a team, and automate workflows using Monday.com. The software also offers editable templates for workflows related to change management. 8. Wrike. Wrike is a project management application with a highly customizable UI. It can be used to manage change by designing unique workflows that are suited to the particular requirements of a company. Businesses can track progress, communicate with team members, and automate procedures using Wrike. 9. ServiceNow. An extensive range of IT service management, ITSM, and IT operations management, ITOM, features are available through the cloud-based platform ServiceNow. It has a change management feature that enables users to submit change requests, follow approvals, and gauge how changes will affect IT infrastructure. 10. Salesforce. Salesforce is a customer relationship management (CRM) tool that can also be used for change management. Its workflow automation and reporting features can help teams collaborate and track progress during the change process. Salesforce also has an extensive library of third-party apps that can be integrated for added functionality.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.